Most people chase wealth like it's a lottery ticket. Most people chase wealth like it's a lottery ticket, hoping for a lucky break, a shortcut, or a golden opportunity that falls into their lap. But real wealth doesn't work that way. It's not a one-time event. It's a system, a blueprint, a carefully built structure made up of different layers. If you want financial success, you don't need wishful thinking. You need to build, step by step, layer by layer. A conversation worth having. Imagine sitting across from Alex, a seasoned entrepreneur who spent years building multiple income streams. Across the table sits Lisa, an aspiring business owner, eager to learn the ropes. Lisa: I keep hearing about all these overnight successes. People selling apps for millions or turning small investments into fortunes. Why can't I just get lucky like them? Alex chuckles softly, leaning back in his chair. Luck is overrated. Let me tell you something. Every overnight success you see, that's usually years of unseen effort condensed into a headline. Real wealth isn't random. It's engineered. He pauses, gesturing as if sketching a blueprint mid-air. Think of it like constructing a skyscraper. Would you trust a building that skipped steps? No foundation, no framework, no plan? Of course not. Yet that's exactly how most people approach money. Lisa nods slowly, intrigued. Okay, so where do I start? 1. The foundation. Your beliefs about money. Every strong structure starts with a solid foundation. But what if your foundation is weak? If you grew up hearing money is the root of all evil, or rich people are just lucky, your foundation is already cracked. The truth? Wealth is built by those who understand how money works, not by those who fear it. Your beliefs about money determine the choices you make. Are you setting up a strong foundation with discipline and strategy? Or are you stacking bricks on sand, hoping for the best? The power of mindset takes Sarah, for example. Growing up, she was taught that discussing money was taboo, a sign of greed or selfishness. As an adult, she avoided learning about finances altogether, leaving her vulnerable to poor decisions. When offered a chance to invest in a promising startup, she hesitated, fearing risk. Meanwhile, her friend James jumped at the opportunity, doubling his initial investment within 2 years. Frustrated, Sarah confided in James, I don't know why I always miss these chances. Is it bad luck? James shook his head. It's not luck, it's mindset. You've been conditioned to fear money instead of understanding it. Start small. Read books, take courses, talk to experts. Once you shift your perspective, opportunities will stop feeling scary and start looking exciting. Over time, Sarah began educating herself. She learned budgeting techniques, explored investment options, and gradually replaced limiting beliefs with empowering ones. By strengthening her foundation, she laid the groundwork for future growth. The framework. Your skills and knowledge. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper with nothing but a hammer and some nails. It's impossible without the right tools. The same goes for wealth. Your skills, knowledge, and adaptability are the beams and supports that hold everything together. Learning high-value skills gives you strength in any economy. High-value skills, like coding, sales, marketing, or problem-solving, are timeless assets. They allow you to pivot when industries change and thrive regardless of economic conditions. Understanding investments, business, and markets gives you stability. Financial literacy is non-negotiable. Knowing how stocks, bonds, real estate, and other vehicles perform under various scenarios prepares you for both opportunities and downturns. Expanding your knowledge base ensures resilience. Without continuous learning, your framework becomes outdated. Staying informed helps you anticipate challenges and seize emerging trends. Building the framework. Meet Mark, a software developer turned investor. Early in his career, he realized that technical expertise alone wouldn't secure his future. Determined to diversify his skill set, he enrolled in online courses covering personal finance, entrepreneurship, and digital marketing. Each new skill felt like adding another beam to my structure, Mark reflected. When layoffs hit my company, I wasn't panicked. I had side projects generating passive income. And when the stock market crashed, I knew exactly which assets to buy at discounted prices. By investing in himself, Mark ensured his framework could withstand turbulence. His diversified skill set became the backbone of his financial resilience. The blueprint, your strategy and path. Some people build tiny cottages, while others create massive skyscrapers. The difference? The blueprint. If your strategy is just work hard and save, you're constructing a single-story home, while others are stacking levels with multiple income streams. Want to go big? Your blueprint needs to include scalability. Are you trading time for money or building assets that grow? Scalable systems generate revenue whether you're actively involved or not. Think automated businesses, rental properties, or royalty-generating content. Leverage. Are you doing everything alone or using systems and people to multiply impact? Outsourcing tasks, automating processes, and partnering with experts amplifies productivity exponentially. Adaptability. Are you stuck, following outdated advice, or adjusting to new opportunities? Markets evolve, technologies advance. Those who adapt survive and thrive. Designing the perfect blueprint, consider Alex again. After mentoring Lisa, he shared his own journey. When I started, my blueprint was messy. I tried freelancing, then e-commerce, then consulting, all separately. Eventually, I combined them into a cohesive system. My courses teach freelancers how to scale using automation tools, and my agency implements those strategies for clients. Now each piece reinforces the others. Lisa scribbled notes furiously. So, it's not just about picking one path, it's about connecting the dots, strategically. Exactly, Alex confirmed. Your blueprint should reflect your goals. If you aim high, design accordingly. 4. The construction. Taking action. A perfect plan means nothing if you never break ground. Too many people spend years researching, but never lay the first brick. Execution is everything. Some people dream of launching a business, but never test an idea. Prototyping, validating, and iterating quickly separates dreamers from doers. Others want financial freedom, but avoid learning about money. Education fuels action. Without it, progress stalls. Many talk about investing but never make the first move. Even small steps, like opening a brokerage account or buying index funds, build momentum. From planning to progress. Meet Tom, a graphic designer who dreamed of launching an online store. For months, he obsessed over details. Logo designs, product descriptions, pricing models. Yet, his website remained unfinished. Frustrated, he sought advice from a mentor. "You're stuck in perfection paralysis," the mentor said bluntly. "Launch now, even if it's imperfect. Feedback from real customers will teach you more than endless tweaking ever will." Taking the leap, Tom launched his store with minimal features. Sales trickled in initially, but customer feedback revealed pain points he hadn't anticipated. Iterating based on data, he refined his offerings until revenue soared. The key, Tom later admitted, was starting. Perfection comes later. Phew. The cost. Paying the price for success. Every skyscraper has a cost: materials, labor, time. Wealth is no different. You can't build something great without sacrificing something in return. Time. While others waste hours on entertainment, your learning and building success demands focus. Every hour spent mastering a skill compounds over time. Risk. While others play it safe, you're making bold moves. Calculated risks separate stagnation from growth. Fear holds many back. Courage propels a few forward. Persistence. While others quit at the first failure, you adjust and keep going. Resilience defines champions. Setbacks aren't failures, they're lessons. Paying the price, consider Emma, a fitness coach who transitioned into online coaching during the pandemic. Initially, skepticism plagued her efforts. Clients were hesitant, competitors crowded the space, and self-doubt crept in. Yet she persisted. "There were nights I wanted to give up," Emma confessed. "But quitting would have meant losing everything I'd worked for. So I doubled down. I studied SEO, improved my content, and networked relentlessly. Slowly, momentum built." Her persistence paid off. Within a year, Emma's platform boasted thousands of subscribers, generating steady monthly income. "The cost of success," she mused, "is measured in sacrifices, but the rewards outweigh them tenfold. Wealth isn't a lucky break. It's not a game show win. It's not about hoping things magically change. It's about building the right foundation, creating the right blueprint, and executing with discipline until your financial structure stands tall." So the question is, are you ready to start building? As Alex told Lisa during their final meeting, "Dreams are free, but dreams alone won't shelter you. Only action turns blueprints into reality. So grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and start laying bricks. One day, you'll look back and realize you've built something extraordinary." Will you answer the call?